on how to check your order in Temu. How to check your order in Temu, step by step. Intro. Placed an order on Temu and want to track it? In this video, I'll show you how to check your order step by step. Step 1. Open the Temu app. First, open the Temu app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner to open your profile. Step 3. Select your orders. Now tap on your orders. Here you'll see a list of all the items you've purchased. Step 4. Choose the order. Select the order you want to check. You'll see details like order status, shipping progress, and estimated delivery date. Step 5. Track your package. If the order has been shipped, tap on Track to see the live delivery updates. Outro. And that's it. That's how you can check your order status in Temu easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple guides.